Who's ready to open up their business in Fiji and wants an awesome, cool design building that they can rent or they can purchase? Well, come on with me into the Avisair house. This was built in 2010. Very cool architecture. Building size is about 200 square meters. That's about 2,150 square feet. Land size is about 500 square meters or 5,400 square feet. And this is on a native lease. Annual lease payment is about $1,200 per year. Very, very small payment there. So let's have a look downstairs. You can see this is one of the large offices. We have downstairs a kitchen and toilet areas for anyone coming to visit your business. Look at this great open, tiled, full of natural light office you can have downstairs. All the people walking by, you can wave to them. And just across there in that red building is the Nandi Airport Transit Hotel. So you're gonna have a lot of foot traffic from that. And some of the other hotels that are in the immediate area here in the Westfield area. So let's go upstairs. Now, as you can imagine, this is commercially zoned. It's on that native lease with the annual lease payment of just 1,200 Fijian dollars, so very, very small. And this nice two-story office building has 4 suites up top. Here's your first suite. Each of these suites has air conditioning. It also has its ensuite bathroom in there as well. So very convenient for workers who have all the amenities of home in their office. So that's 1, 2, 3. Here is the 4th suite. This is a little larger and it has this conference table in the front. Also behind the door there is another front patio area exclusive to that number 4 suite. More importantly, have a look at this beautiful outdoor covered veranda balcony where you can come out and enjoy yourself. Look at these beautiful views. You're gonna have tremendous drive-by traffic for your business. So if you're looking to get massive exposure, good signage, this is a really, really good location because you're just about 5 minutes from the international airport and about 5 minutes also from the New World Shopping, which includes Courts Mega Store, the New World Shopping, grocery store, India Gate restaurant, and so much more. And as you can see, some of the rental car shops are here. And again, one of the transit hotels. There are a few others in the area. So to find out more about this, if you're interested in setting up your business in Fiji, go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051, and we can give you more details on this particular building and all of our listings that we have in Fiji, and we can help get you set up with your business here. And this, again, is just this, you can't get a better location than this. This is where you're gonna everyone is gonna see your business. We look forward to hearing from you soon. We hope you're having an awesome day. And just look at those beautiful green mountains in the background here in Fiji. All that's missing is you. We'll see you soon. Vanaka.